In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up trust accounting in Clio Manage. Setting up trust accounting is a crucial step in managing your law firm's finances, ensuring that you can keep track of client funds accurately and efficiently. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Accounts section within Clio Manage. This is where you'll create a new account specifically for your trust funds. Once you're there, click on the option to create a new account. This will open up a form where you can enter the necessary details for your new account. Now, it's important to give your account a clear and descriptive name. This name will help you easily identify your trust account among any other accounts you might have. After naming it, set the type of the account to Trust Account. This designation is crucial as it differentiates trust funds from your operating funds. Once you've entered these details, go ahead and save the new account. With this step completed, you have successfully created a trust account within Clio Manage. Next, we need to ensure that your trust account is linked properly within the system. To do this, navigate to the Settings section and look for the Billing options. Under Billing, you'll find Trust Accounting. This is where you can link your newly created trust account. By linking it here, you're enabling Clio Manage to track your trust funds accurately and allow for seamless transactions when dealing with client matters. Once your trust account is set up and linked, it's time to manage your client funds. Open a client's matter that you'd like to work with. Within the client's matter, go to the Transactions section. This is where you can record all financial activities related to that specific client. To add deposit funds, click on Record Transaction. This feature allows you to keep a detailed and accurate record of all deposits made into the trust account for each client. Enter all the necessary details about the deposit, such as the amount and any relevant notes, to ensure that your records are as comprehensive as possible. Now, when it's time to invoice your client, Clio Manage makes it easy to apply trust funds to a bill. Once you have generated an invoice, click on More Actions and then select Apply Trust Funds. This option lets you use the retainer funds deposited in the trust account to pay off the client's bill. By doing so, you're ensuring that your client's invoices are settled promptly and accurately using the funds they have already provided. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and utilized trust accounting in Clio Manage. This process not only helps you comply with legal obligations regarding client funds, but also streamlines your financial management, allowing for a more efficient and organized approach to handling client transactions. Remember, maintaining accurate records is essential in trust accounting, and Clio Manage provides the tools you need to achieve that with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for support. Happy managing!